Good day everyone, I am Jasly Andreas Fortuno from BSCE 2A. My topic is all about the World Health Organization framework. The World Health Organization primarily aims to advance the health status of indigenous people in the world. They acknowledge the fact that most indigenous people's health status is poorer than non-indigenous population groups in countries all over the world. In the absence of an official definition from the United Nations, the World Health Organization provides a modern and inclusive understanding of indigenous people. So, the World Health Organization is trying to help the indigenous people get more healthier. They know that the indigenous people often face more health problems than other groups. The World Health Organization also wants to make sure that the healthcare respects their culture and that they have the same opportunities just as everyone else. Thank you.